Hi guys, for those that don't know, I'm Stacey, the owner and creator of the Shetland Fairy. I know you're bored of hearing that for those who hear me all the time. Today I'm just doing something a little different. I'm off out, but I thought it'd be great to show you my home sort of thing. So at the moment I'm working on a cute little bumblebee fairy. And I've got all my other fairies behind, utilising the space that I have. One day I'll have my little hobbit home. Yeah, but for now, I'll see you at the top of the hill. Bye. Oh gosh, I didn't realise it was out today, and my eyes. And a gorgeous view. Just wanted to show you one of my favourite views. And this is it. I know I'm home when I see here. Because the way they spell things and pronounce things are different. So, please take home, Patrick. Charlotte. What are we taking home, Patrick? Blondies! Mini egg blondies. Nom noms. I'll see you on the walk back home. Bye guys!
No.
That's so good.
Yay, you got it!
Yay!
Oh, it's going down again. No. Oh,
Drop it. So walking home, and the sun's out now. So pretty. What are you doing?
I don't know.
You're as crazy as your mum. Hey, so if you can hear me, we decided to go to the beach. And it's so pretty. So I call this the sandy beach. The kids call it Ollaberry beach. So I think that's what the locals call it. I'm not sure. It's just so breathtaking.
So cold.
Zoe, where's your ball gone? Where's he gone?
No!
Oh, Pat. That's a wet sock. I love how clear the water is. Hey, so I hope you liked my little video of just a little walk really today. It's Sunday, so I'm not doing much. So yeah, this is just a little part of my world and what inspires me. So cool. I'll see you guys around. Hopefully I will try and keep up with the videos. I do try. And just thank you for following me and everything else. You guys are amazing. Stay safe.